Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these portable wire neon lights. Alright, so I ordered a whole bunch of these portable wire neon lights because I saw them on Amazon when I was just searching, and I thought they would be cool for one of Auret's music videos. As you know, Auret is my business partner, and I'm the one that films and edits her music videos. And I just got an idea when I saw these lights. We're actually going to film the music video for this like in 2 weeks, so I wanted to do an unboxing. I got these on Amazon and show you guys how they work, if they're any good, and just review them for you. So it is the beginning of October, so these are kind of cool, like if you wanted to use them for a Halloween costume. And let's do the unboxing. Okay, so they just kind of shove them here into this giant bag, and they're in separate individual bags. Now there's different ways to order these. I wanted to order them with like each having their own separate remote because I didn't know where I was going to be placing these, and some of them you can get like one remote, but then you'll have 5 attachments and then you'll each have them all attached to one. But then, you know, if you wanted to place them in strategic places, you might not be able to be as free with it than if you were to have them as each individual. So each color has its own color, and that's the way I wanted it. So let me just unpack all the colors here. This one was clearly the blue one. This is like a neon hot pink. I'm excited to see these like when they're on in the dark. This kind of looks like maybe like a fuchsia. It's definitely brighter than this pink, but it's still like a pink. So maybe slightly purplish. And there's all different kinds. Like, you don't have to get an 8-pack. You can get one color if you wanted. You can get 2 colors. There's a whole bunch of different kinds of packages. I will have the links down to the description below. This yellow one. This is like neon orange, I believe. Orange. So we at here, we're at like 5. I think it's maybe like a clear one or something, white maybe. This is also neon orange, but like a slightly different kind of neon. Maybe this is red, orange. I just wanted like a whole bag of mixed colors, and then like a lighter orange. So different kinds of oranges here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 8. So I got the 8-pack. So let's take one out of the bag here. Actually, you know what? Let's take the blue one. It's probably going to be more vibrant with the blue. So I want the blue one. Let's take it out here. And these weren't too expensive. Alright, so first thing is we got like the remote adapter thingy with the wire, the light wire, and there's a button here and a clip. So if you wanted this to be part of a costume, you could, you know, clip this onto your belt buckle, a shirt, whatever. And then this is the battery compartment. Now each of these remotes takes 2 AA batteries, so I have a bunch of AA rechargeable batteries here. These are EBL rechargeable batteries. They're powerful and they're rechargeable, so I can use them over and over again. I've been using these batteries for years. I'll also have the link to these down below, but I'll be using those with each one of these lights. And let's unwrap this and see how long it actually is and see how much like we get out of it. Okay, so these are like wires, but I will say that it's not like a strong wire, as you can see. So I'm twisting it and then it kind of goes like that. It stays a little bit curled, but it's not like how I originally made it. So if you need it to be like exact to spell a word, you might have to tape it on something to keep the formation properly, because it's not as like they could have maybe used a thicker wire so that the formation could hold a little better, but it sort of holds. But that's okay for me. Like, I didn't need it to be so exact because it's going to be on the clothing. But let's just stretch this out here. So it's pretty long. Definitely longer than arm's length for sure. Yeah, it's pretty long. Maybe 2 arms lengths of here. So this is a bunch of cord here. And then the end is like, got kind of this nubbin happening here at the end. So I'm going to put some batteries in and let's check this out. Let's see here. I've got my EBL batteries. Okay, popped in the batteries. Now let's turn this on. Okay, so we can't really see it right now because it's light. Let me just quickly turn off the lights. This is the darkest we could get it in the office. Here we go. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're pretty cool. I mean, I have to say they are pretty neonish and vibrant. Like, it's gonna look cool if you properly put these on around yourself. And when you click the first button, it does like a solid, and then you click it again, it's going to flash, and then if you click it again, it's going to do like a faster pulsating flash. So that's pretty cool. Now I will say that you can hear like a small beeping. You can hear that? And it's based off of the light. So if I put it on to that it's just going to be one continuous beep noise. And then it goes with the light. So there is going to be a slight beeping noise if you are wearing these around and you have all of them. You will probably hear that noise throughout the night if you're wearing it while trick-or-treating. So let's try another color while I have the lights off real quick. So I'll just put blue ones aside. And let's see, like the pink one probably. Quickly grab it here. So these are cool, like if you want to do like a costume or you want to decorate something more defined, because you can get pretty detailed with these if you have like a good clear tape, a tape that maybe like if you're doing a costume, a good clear tape that will stick onto clothes. And let's try the pink one. Ooh, this is cool. Yeah, also still the beeping happening. It's very slight. And then there you go. Alright, so we've got the lights back on. So what do you guys think of them? I think that they're pretty cool. I've got a neat idea that I'm going to be playing with for Auret's next music video. It will probably be released later this month, and I will put a link to the video down in the description below when it's completed. So I think these are pretty cool. I specifically chose to get separate remotes for each because, like I said, I didn't want all of them to be attached together. I wanted them to be separate. The only downside I would say is that the wire part could be stronger. Like if it could hold its shape a little bit better, I think that would be more beneficial. But you know, I'm going to be using some clear tape to hold it in position. As for like the brightness and everything, I'm good with the brightness. Like it looks cool when it's all in the dark. I tried these out in pitch black. It looks really cool, really neat. So I'm overall quite pleased with these. If you guys are interested in checking these out, head down to the description below as I will have the Amazon links for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.